Up to now, we saw how to develop, build, test, and run a project using .NET CLI. Now we want to publish our application and its dependencies for deployment to a hosting system. I'm Mohammad Saheb Honar, and in the finale of .NET CLI, we are going to use the .NET command line interface to publish our application. But first things first, we need to specify a name for the output folder, and we want to publish the release build of our app. Based on how we want to run the app, we can publish the application in two different modes. If the hosting machine has .NET Runtime, we can choose the framework-dependent mode to publish the app. The output includes only the application itself and its dependencies. For .NET Core 3.1 or higher, the framework-dependent executable is the default mode for the .NET Publish command. Let's paste the command into the terminal. The publish folder contains a cross-platform DLL which is named after our project. The .NET Publish command also creates an executable for the current operating system and CPU architecture. We can publish an app as framework dependent that targets a specific platform. We want to produce an executable that runs on a 64-bit Windows operating system. In this case, we need to use the runtime identifier along with the no self-contained option. Let's paste the command into the terminal. This time, an executable file for Windows has been produced. The framework-dependent mode has several advantages. Only the app and its dependencies are distributed, so the size of the deployment is small. We can run the app on different platforms, and the app uses the latest runtime installed on the target platform. However, the framework-dependent mode requires pre-installing of the .NET runtime on the host machine. In the second mode, we can publish the app as a self-contained executable. The output contains the application, its dependencies, as well as the .NET runtime and libraries. So we can run the application on a machine that doesn't have the .NET runtime installed. In this mode, we need to specify the target runtime identifier, here Linux ARM, as well as self-contained option. Let's paste the command into the terminal. Since our app includes the .NET runtime and all of its dependencies, the download size is greater than a framework-dependent version. Also, in the self-contained mode, greater hard drive space is required. As a caveat, in this mode, the .NET runtime can only be upgraded by releasing a new version of our app. Let's switch to the published directory. We can run the platform-specific executable directly. However, to run the cross-platform DLL, we need to call the .NET command. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate your feedback and thank you for watching.